our underbar cups and bottles holder. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 24 inches, a depth of 22.5 inches, and a height of 33 inches tall. 4 different quadrants, with each quadrant measuring 24 inches in length, 5.5 inches in depth, by 5 inches tall with divider bar. 4 different sections, with the lowest being in the front and the highest towards the back of the underbar station. So with cups, mugs, and bottles, each quadrant can stack those utensils. Coming to the top left corner is the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.